Hey guys, this is Jim from CitiBike Walk. Today is June 25th. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today I'm in a neighborhood called Prospect Lefferts Garden, just east of the Prospect Park. And I'm on the corner of Flatbush and Fenmore. And I'll be eating at this place called Edie Joe's, right behind me. Right in front of me, and I already have my seating and already have my food out, but I just want to get a shot of the front of the building. And yeah, I'm walk over. Here's my friend Stanley. He's a real estate broker in Brooklyn, and we just finished up a viewing in a rental apartment nearby. And here's my food. And this is the curry chicken salad from Edie Joe's over on Fenmore and Flatbush Avenue. Yeah. Gotta get the exact address, but I'll look that up for you later. I'll have a description down below. So I got my kombucha, and Stanley over here is having, what is it?
It's a special today. It's a fluke sandwich.
Fluke sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay. And he also has his matcha, which is he's halfway done already. And yeah, let's dig in. Looks good. The color looks good. Very flavorful. I can taste that curry, chicken, and what else is in here? So there's chicken, curry, red onions, celery, some raisin, peanuts, cilantro, honey, mayo, salt and pepper, and chili flakes. So I can already see the chili flake right here. I don't know if you can see that. And how's your burger there?
Very fresh. Fish is definitely light, crispy, very flavorful. You know, you got the corn, you got the mayo and mustard. You know, add perfectly to the blend. Really delicious.
All right, I'll continue eating. I believe this is Jamaican, right? Is that correct? Or
Could be, yeah. Could be.
Or it's West
Indian,
West
Caribbean.
Indian, yeah.
So it could be like an influence on both.
Right. Look at that. It's actually nice and refreshing.
Does it have like a kick, like a spice?
You want to try it?
Just a little spice? Does it have a spice to it?
A little bit,
Yeah.
but it's not overwhelming.
Want to try some of the food? It's really nice. It's
Yeah, sure.
Very light and crispy. Give it.
I'm gonna try the fluke. So nice and flaky looking. Let's see let's have a bite.
I don't usually like fried stuff as much, but this one
The
is
fried
definitely-
batter fish.
Yeah, I'm not so.
Yeah, it's
crazy
very
about it.
tricky to get get it done right.
Right, I agree. There's not a lot of restaurants can
Yeah, they
get it.
tend to overdo it.
Exactly.
Well, they do it and then it's been sitting out for a few hours.
Right. And at least they cook it like right on the spot.
Yeah, it's fresh. Yeah, gotta eat fresh. Don't eat. It's not a filet-o-fish.
Like this restaurant had to change the menu because normally they have like a full course menu, but you know, because of the COVID, and outdoor limited seating, their menu is a little changed.
Yeah.
So it's not too bad. I remember the last time I came here, they had like a really good like a sort of like a pork shoulder. So delicious. It's a big plate of pork shoulder.
Seems like their food is very flavorful, but it's not heavy.
Overwhelming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yeah, they have a couple of restaurants around this area that pretty good cuisine.
Is this their original location, or do you know if
This is
there's only one?
only
Okay.
location that they have.
Oh, okay. And continue. Okay, make sure I get the shot.
Their food is delicious, but their drinks are even better. The owner of the place used to be a beverage director for the Mario Batali's restaurants. Yeah, years ago. You know, prior to obviously his fallout.
Yeah, I heard Mario Batali. Yeah, he's I guess he's no longer in business because of the
Sex.
Me Too movement.
Yep.
Yeah.
The sexual harassments and so forth. So
Right.
a lot of all his companies that he was established with bought him out, including Italy.
I'm sure he's eating well somewhere.
Yeah, I'm sure he's keeping it down low.
Yeah.
You know, just like most other people who have unfortunately gone through that embarrassing, you know, episodes in their lives.
Well, the food is delicious here. Again, if you want to check them out, again, it's called Edie Joe's over on Flatbush Avenue and Fenmore Street.
630 Flatbush.
630 Flatbush. But I'll have their address down in the description below if you want to check them out. Excellent West Indian food and or Caribbean food. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, bye.